Hello children, Nisha here from Angla Vidya Mandira, your English teacher. So children, again I am here with a new lesson, new video, and here in this video we are going to learn a lesson number 8, okay, unit 8, and it's a poem children, and the name of the poem is what? Let's have a look. What is in the mailbox? What is the name of the poem children? What is in the mailbox? So you have to do one thing. Just open your textbook, page number 77 in your Marigold. Okay, Marigold textbook. Just open page number 77. We'll just go through the poem. Before going to through the poem, I just wanted to ask you, can you see in the picture? What is this in the picture children? I have showed you. It's a mailbox. So today we will see a beautiful poem. What's in the mailbox. It is like a very good poem, and like I just wanted to ask you, like can you see this mailbox is in red in color, and it can be found in the post box. Generally, like we can post the letters. What we can do in this, we can post the letters into this mailbox, and the postman, what he will do, he will come and take the letter and deliver it to the right address, which is mentioned on the post, which is mentioned on the letter, and at the same time the recipient will be getting the letter from the through the postman. Okay, so that is shown here. That is the mailbox, what is shown here. So today we are going to learn about that. Before going through the poem, I just wanted to give a small explanation about the Indian Post. Like India has the most widely distributed postal system in the world, with a collection of around 1.5 lakh post office. Okay, so there are almost 1.5 lakh post office all over are there in India. India Post, operated by the central government in India and founded way back in 1854 by Lord Dalhousie, the Governor General of India at that time. So during 1854, okay, it has been founded. And who has founded this? Lord Dalhousie, who was a Governor General of India at that time. The first postal stamp released by the India Post after independence contained the picture of Indian tricolor. Like the postal stamp which has been made for the first time, that has after the independence, like post independence, it has contained the picture of what children? Indian tricolor flag. The flag has been the postal stamp was having a tricolor flag. And do you know, like, who was the first person's like picture was there on the stamp? Like it was Mahatma Gandhiji's. Like he was the first personality to be appeared on a stamp after independence. So this is a small explanation, information I must tell about the Indian Post. So let's start with the poem children. What's in the mailbox? Like most always, when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or for my dad, not but never one for me. Now here in this poem, can you see a child is sitting and she is imagining, like whenever a postman is coming, the postman will give the letter either to the mother or to the father. But never I have received any letter from the postman. She is waiting that somebody should also send a letter to me, but no one has sent a letter to her till date. But always her parents are receiving the letter from the postman. Second stanza, I am going to write some letters though, that's what I am going to do, and then my friends will answer me and I will also get letters too. So she has done a planning. She got an idea what she was thinking, like I will do one thing, I will just write a letter to my friends, and when my friends will receive the letter, what they will do, they will respond back to my letter. So in the same way, when they will send a forward a letter to me, I will receive it. Okay, through my friend I am going to receive a letter. That way even I will get a letter as how my parents are getting it. So it's a very short poem about a girl who is imagining that she should also get letter from her friend. So moving on to the keywords children. Letter. So what is there written? The very first keyword is letter. Letter means a printed communication. Then second one is always. Number 3, never. And the number 4 keyword is though. Moving on to the exercise part. It's a question answer children. Who does the postman bring letters for? The postman brings letter for the child's parent. Does the child ever get a letter? No, the child waited for the letter but she haven't received it. What does the child decide to do? The child decides to write some letter to his friend. Have you written letters? Who have you written to? Who would you like to write or to today? Why? Now there are 3 questions given, which is a self-talk, children. So in this, what you have to do, they are asking have you ever written a letter, and if you have written a letter, to whom you have written a letter. Okay, so these are the questions which you have to ask yourself. Read this letter carefully. There is a format given below, children, how to write a letter. Like there should be an address, then after the date should be, this address should be to the person whom you are writing a letter. Then there should be a date, and the name of the person, like dear grandfather, like you are writing a letter to a grandfather means you have to mention dear grandfather, and greetings. Then after that, thank you for the beautiful, the content should be here, and the conclusion. Okay, so this is a letter format. Moving on to the next page, let's write. Now, write a letter to your friend telling her about your school. You can use some of these words. Now, children, here it is given to write a letter to your friend. I am giving you a homework. So, what you have to do? You have to write a letter to your English teacher. Okay, you have to write a letter to your English teacher by sharing like how you have spent your days during COVID time. Like what you have done in this pandemic, what you have done being at home. So you just have to write a letter explaining how you have passed your days at home. Okay, and there is one more activity, children, like you have to make an envelope and post your letter to her. So the steps of construction is given down. So you have to follow the steps, make an envelope, okay, and that also you have to post it in the group along with the letter. The image of the letter should be there in the group, as well as the envelope you have to make and post it in the group. Moving on to the next main, here are some people who help us. Now here the community helpers are given down. So what kind of help they are going to do to us, that is mentioned here. So you just have to match it with A and B. Like a postman. So what does the postman do? A postman gets the letter. Okay, what does the postman do? The postman gets a letter. A cobbler mends our shoes. A librarian works in a library. Okay, yeah, correct. Then a driver drives a motor vehicle, a dramatist writes plays, a teacher teaches in a school, a nurse looks after the patient, a musician plays musical instrument, an astronaut travels in a spacecraft, a clown makes people laugh. So these are few name of the person, community helpers, and their job profile, what they do exactly to us. So children, hope it's a very short poem, and one more thing is there, you have to learn the poem. Okay, you have to learn the poem and post it in the group. That video you should post it in the group. Hope this poem as well as this exercise is clear for you. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the group. Till then, thank you, children.